December, a Saturday timetable will be in use with additional peak time trains on some routes. On Christmas Eve, the same service will be running, but the network will close down earlier than usual. For more information, please visit southeasternrailway.co.uk. Check your journey.
Platform 12 for the 1507 service to Randwick via Dover Priory for Stratford International, Hexley International and Ashford International where the train departs. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. Please travel in the front 6 coaches of the train for Folkestone West, Folkestone Central, Dover Priory, Martin Mill,